In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Klaviyo pop-ups on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a working pop-up on your store that can collect emails, SMS subscribers, or both. And you'll understand exactly where everything lives inside Shopify and Klaviyo. Let's start inside your Shopify admin. At the top of the dashboard, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and instead of searching your own data, look for the option to search apps. In the dropdown, choose apps, then type Klaviyo email marketing and SMS. At the bottom of that dropdown, click the option to search the Shopify App Store so you're taken to the app listing. From the search results, locate the Klaviyo email marketing and SMS app and click into it. Go ahead and install the app, then follow the on-screen prompts to connect or create your Klaviyo account. Take your time with these prompts so your Shopify store is properly linked. Once the app is installed, you'll be working inside Klaviyo's website. Look to the lower left corner of the screen, where you'll see your account icon and store name. Click that, and in the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside Settings, under the Account section, click Organization on the left side. Here you'll see a field for your website URL. Make sure this matches your actual Shopify store URL. If it doesn't, update it so it's correct, then click Save at the top. This step is important because Klaviyo uses this URL to load forms on the right site. Now, move to the main navigation on the left and click Website. From the dropdown, choose Sign Up Forms. This is where you'll create your pop-up. Click Create Form in the top right corner. You can either pick one of Klaviyo's pop-up banner templates or choose Create a blank form to design it from scratch. If you select a template, a side panel will appear. Give your banner a clear name, then choose which subscriber list it should feed into, such as an email or SMS list. When you're ready, click Create Form at the bottom. On the left side of the editor, you'll see options like Styles, Targeting and Behavior, and Ad Blocks. Use these sections to adjust the design, when and where the pop-up appears, and what fields it includes. As you make changes, watch the preview on the right to see exactly how it will look on your site. When you're happy with everything, click Publish in the upper right corner to make the form live in Klaviyo. There's one final step inside Shopify to actually display the pop-up. Go back to your Shopify admin and, from the left-hand menu, click Online Store. On your current theme, click Customize to open the theme editor. Inside the editor, look for app embeds on the left side, usually just below the gear icon. Click App Embeds, then find the option labeled Klaviyo On-Site JavaScript. Toggle this setting on so Klaviyo can load your pop-ups on the storefront. To finish, click Save in the upper right corner. Once that's saved, your Klaviyo pop-up should now be active on your Shopify store, ready to start collecting new subscribers.